I'm a little longer in the tooth than most, so it's been a very enjoyable career. It's very challenging. Even at this point in my career, you learn something new every day. It provides a good living for your family. And like I say, you're able to help your community, your friends and neighbors when things aren't necessarily at their best.
Well, the biggest thing for me is that freedom and no college debt. You know, you don't go to school for 4 years and even longer if you have no idea what you're doing, or if you want to, or don't know what you want to do and change your degree a handful of times.
It's a great trade. There's good money to be made. I wish I would have gotten to it right out of high school. That's my only regret. There was a lot more money that I could have made. Start out when you're young, so you can work and advance into higher positions and never stop learning. Always try to learn more and apply all the stuff that you do learn and the safety that's taught. Make for sure that you apply it all the time and make for sure that you're your brother's keeper.
The majority of the time I get to spend the night in my own bed. It also gives you a little more flexibility to participate as your children grow up in school events and sporting events and that kind of stuff.
I'd say it's worth every minute of your time. You know, it's good money, but being able to turn on the lights when it's dark is very, very, very rewarding.
It's a great job to get into. It's if you're into working outside and working with your hands, it's a rewarding career. You can make a good living doing this work.
Do it, without a doubt. You won't regret it. Do your training. You can go anywhere in the world. There's a job. You're guaranteed. Take pride in what you do, and it shows.